How many of you out there in the audience right now have a certified copy of your homeowner's insurance policy? My guess, not many, and that's a problem.
Hey guys, Anthony Massimino with Remediation 911.
And I wanted to ensure that you are prepared for the active 2024 hurricane season with these 8 crucial things you need to know about your homeowner's insurance policy. Be sure to take notes or save this video because this information could protect everything you've saved for. Number 1, get a certified copy of your policy. The first thing you need to do tomorrow is call or email your insurance agent or broker. Actually, just do both so you have written documentation. In Florida, once you request a certified copy of your policy, they have 7 calendar days to provide it to you. This certified copy is crucial because it shows exactly what's covered and what isn't, giving you a snapshot of your policy at that moment in time. Number 2, be aware of policy tampering. Let me share a recent example a colleague of mine explained. A few months ago, a property manager did the right thing by retaining a certified copy of their policy. When a claim was filed, the insurance company tried to deny parts of it, citing an endorsement that was not in the certified copy. It turned out the insurance company had tampered with the policy after the loss, which is illegal. Having that certified copy saved them a lot of trouble and ensured they got their claim paid. Number 3, know the legal deadlines. In Florida, you now have only 1 year from the date of loss to report an insurance claim. That's down from 3 years, people. And for supplemental claims, you have 18 months from the date of loss. The point is, if something is wrong, you need to make a claim immediately. If you're worried about being canceled due to filing too many claims, here's some good news for Floridians. If you have an open claim that has not been settled, insurance companies can no longer non-renew your policy. Number 4, avoid actual cash value, ACV policies. When you get the certified copy of your homeowner's insurance policy, check for these policy provisions and make sure you do not have an ACV policy. An ACV policy means you only get the depreciated value of your property, not the replacement cost. Always go for replacement cost value or RCV instead. Number 5, say no to mandatory arbitration. Arbitration usually favors the insurance company, not you. Make sure your policy does not include mandatory arbitration clauses. Number 6, beware of right to repair policies. Right to repair gives the insurance company control over who repairs your building, often leading to lower quality work. Ensure you maintain the right to choose who repairs your home. Number 7, avoid roof deductibles at all costs. A roof deductible can leave you paying for half the cost of a new roof after a non-hurricane event. It's better to have a policy without this clause to avoid unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. And number 8, ensure you have ordinance and law coverage. Ordinance and law coverage pays for upgrades needed to meet current building codes after a covered loss. It can even extend your coverage limits in the event of a total loss. Make sure your policy includes this crucial coverage. These are the key things to look for in your homeowner's insurance policy before the 2024 hurricane season affects you. If you are unfortunate enough to suffer damage from a hurricane during the 2024 hurricane season and need help getting your home or property back to normal, give us a call. At Remediation 911, we can ensure that your home is free from all water damage and mold growth to ensure you can get back to clean, healthy living. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to answering any questions you may have down in the comments.
If you want to stay updated with the latest in hurricane safety and preparation guides, make sure to hit the subscribe button. For comprehensive resources, our website, remediation911.com, has you covered. Stay safe and stay prepared.